So guys, it's time to say goodbye, not to the channel, but to the C7. I've owned this car for about 3 years now, just under 3 years. I've loved it since the day that I got it. I remember picking it up. I drove it off the dealer lot straight into snow. It was snowing when I picked it up, which was exciting, really not fun. But I have loved the car ever since I bought it. I never thought I would get rid of it, but the market is so good right now that I decided to make a jump into a car that I've had on an even higher pedestal for even longer, that I never thought I'd get a chance to own, but now that I have that opportunity, I think I'm gonna take it. I have loved this car, and I really hope that it goes to somebody who appreciates it as much as I have. But you know, there's not really much else to say. It's a fantastic car. I know in like a month, I'm gonna really regret this, because the car I'm swapping it for isn't gonna get built until next March at best. So it's gonna be a while before something fills the garage space. But until then, I'm just gonna drive it one more time. I'm going this afternoon to drop it off at the dealership. You know, I'm just gonna enjoy it. I have loved it. It's been fantastic. There's absolutely no reason to get rid of it other than I just have the opportunity to get something else that I've wanted, and I'm going to take that opportunity, and hopefully you guys will see more of that in the coming year. But until then, go back and check this stuff out. I know I'm going to regret this. This is going to be so bad. Why am I doing this? Why do we do this as car people? We can't let go of anything. I will never be able to sell a car and not regret it, so that's just what I'm telling myself.